Oh, hello everyone. I'm back. So, long time no see, and the reason was that I had quite a big changes in my life, and also I had a pretty big project to build. You will see this project in upcoming videos, and I just wanted to let you see what happened here in a Growbox. It's kind of success and a tragedy at the same time, because I have quite overestimated capabilities of this Growbox and this light, and also I have overestimated the capabilities of this tomato, because it's not really designed to grow in such hot climate. Actually, we had pretty intensive summer, so the temperatures outside were quite high, and if outside temperature is high, the temperature in a grow box is even higher. And actually I don't want to buy air conditioning and dehumidifier, because it's again it's another electricity consumption, so I want to keep these things as simple as possible with almost no power input, like just this light, and that's all. So that's why I had a pretty hot and humid climate here. As you see, it's about 70% humidity and 23 degrees Celsius here, 23 degrees Celsius temperature. So yeah, actually it's ventilated now for a few moments, so temperature dropped, but during the summer here was like, let's say 28, 29 degrees Celsius, which is not good for a tomato. As you see, the leaves are curling. This is a defense mechanism, so it's, the plant is showing you that something is wrong, because the humidity and air temperature was so high that, this was a defense reaction, curly leaves. But actually it doesn't hurt the plant itself so much, so I was still able to grow pretty nice tomatoes, which are already harvested and eaten. As you see right here are the last two tomatoes. Yeah, green one and the red one. Yeah, it ruptured because I actually don't pay too much attention to it anymore, because there were just the two tomatoes, and that's why I have been watering the plant irregularly, and that caused the rupture of the tomato. But anyway, this is indigo apple variety, very tasty, very nice. And it's the end of the life cycle, as I didn't want the plant to grow taller. Yeah, there is still space, but I didn't want to have this plant here anymore. So this is kinda failure, because this plant is not designed to live in such tropical grow box. So this plant would be doing good here, let's say during winter, because during winter temperatures are a bit lower and air is more dry. So yeah, this is definitely plant I should grow here during winter, not during summer, especially when I don't have air conditioning and stuff. But still, there is a success, because I put here, when I discovered how hot this grow box can become, I have put here a chili. This is jalapenos, and you can see these little babies are actually for harvest. I have harvested this plant 3 times in 8 months, which is kind of amazing. As you see how dense the plant is, I should actually defoliate this plant, but I had not much time. And you see another chili here. and yeah, these were pretty good yielding. Yeah, and here again another bunch of 3 chilies. So it's heavy yielder actually, and yeah, this plant would deserve a more defoliation because sunlight is not getting inside the plant. That's why it's, you know, it's not growing so good inside, just, you know, just outside. And well, it's perfect plant for a hot and humid grow box during the summer because chili really likes it if it's hot and even slightly humid. Well, at least something is growing nice in these conditions. So it's about to be an autumn right now, but still I believe I still have a chance to grow another chili. So in another video you will see how I will get rid of this tomato. It served well. It gave me like about 1 kilogram of, or yeah, about 1 kilogram of tomatoes, which is not bad. If you consider that these tomatoes you can probably never buy in any shop, because I haven't seen a indigo apple in a store. This is rare variety, so it's not good for, you know, commercial selling, so you can have it at home like this. So yeah, as a specialty, as a special variety, it's nice, but the plant is already, you know, at the end of the life cycle, so I will get rid of it, and then I will keep here for a short period of time this chili, the jalapenos, and it's gonna be here until the last chilies, these ones and others, until these are, you know, harvestable, and then even this plant is discarded, and I will leave here just a new chili, and that chili I'm gonna grow hydroponically. So in the next video you can see, you know, how I'm going to set up a hydroponics DWC deep water container. So in this kind of container you can, you know, of course this have to be cleaned and stuff, and you know, then you can, you know, you will see how I'm growing chilies hydroponically. And yeah, so I think that would be all for today's short update. So I'm back. I'm preparing, you know, a hydroponics chili video and the other video about the big project I had. That project, I was building something and that took me like 2 months. So yeah, it's a lot of content to be seen. So thank you for watching and see you at another episode. Bye.